A good place to start with doubling are the Numicon pieces because they're very, very visual. If you have 1 and 1 and you add them together, it makes 2. And if you have 2 and 2 together, they make 4. If you add 3 and 3 together, you get 6. And if you add 4 and 4 together, you get 8. And finally, 5 and 5, when they're doubled together, will make 10. So Numicon's great for doing that, but what I want to show you today is actually when you partition slightly larger numbers to make a bigger number. So we're going to look at doubling 6. And we're going to do it by partitioning. So, first job is, now I'm going to use Unifix for this, to make the 2 numbers. So I'm going to make 6 there, and I'm going to make 6 here. I don't always use the same colour for each number. Okay, so you can see I've got 6 and 6. But what I would like to do is make 5, because I already know that 5 and 5 make 10, and that's a useful thing to know. So if I know that 5 and 5 make 10, I'm going to split 6 into 5 and 1. So you can see I've got a 5 and a 1 on this side, and I've got a 5 and a 1 on that side. And now what I'm going to do is add the 2 5s together, because 5 and 5, as we already know, makes 10. And then I'm going to add 1 and 1 together, which makes 2. And if I add 10 and 2 together, I get 12. Okay, if that's a little bit confusing, let's try another one, and hopefully you'll see how it works out nicely. Let's do double 7. So I've got to make 7. Already got my 6 there. Just add 1 more to it is 7. And I'm going to make another 7 here. Now the same thing's going to happen. I'm going to split it into 5. It being 7, 5 and 2. 5 and 2. Right, step 1. Add the 2 5s together, 5 and 5, make 10. Now you can, if it helps you, cross out the 2 5s, then you know what you've got left to do. And then you're going to add 2 and 2, which is 4, and 10 and 4 make 14. Let's just try one more. We'll go for 8 and 8. 8 plus 8, or double 8. So make 8. Twice. And then we're going to split 8 into 5 and 3. So we're always trying to make 5 and whatever's left of the number. And the reason we're doing that is because we know that 5 and 5 is a nice friendly number to add together. So 5 and 5, when added together, make 10. And then we add 3 and 3, which makes 6. And finally, we add 10 and 6, which is 16. So the answer is 16. Now you can cross off as you go if that makes it easier for you to remember, but you don't have to. So that is how to double by partitioning.